Arikwigira hoteli diciriyo no yembekwa President Museveni asimira muri Cheptegei abwo butekwatijaga akakozesa de sente ziyatunjire okurwa mu call center rantai.
And to thank him for not squandering the money he earned. So we are going to support him. We are not allowed to make pledges during elections, but in principle, we will support other people. We have been supporting manufacturers, been supporting even hotels, so we shall support him. The policy is already there. Thank you very much. So continue, we shall see how to support.
President Museveni araganise ko ari kuza kushajika Cheptegei akaruruka heza ko omubugamba bya Cheptegei azire ngo akajeste teko cyo kombeka hoteleji okwenda kutumuganda hakombeka inkurakurana yihanga
to conserve the energy and become a better athlete. And our forefathers were living in the forest, so I said now since the forest is no longer, I can make and put an investment here to contribute to national development goals. Your Excellency, I'm your student, and I think I'm fairly getting it right. So this project, from the savings that I've been earning, I've been saving it. I first bought the land in 2016-17 and adding it gradually.
Okagize hoteleji yaba yahwire neza ko abantu barakwingana magana n'imirimo.
Message of creating more jobs. And as you can see, there are your sons here. We have over 100 people working in this project from February of this year until now. And we are giving them employment opportunities.
Cheptegei azire ngo hoteleji yaheza kwa neza kuba maziro sente ziri kwingana billion 26 kandi cyeka cyo kubanza njija kumaraho billion 13.
This project is going to take, when completed, to a tune of 26 billion. But the first phase to be operational is supposed to cost 13 billion. Of the 13 billion, I have 9 billion, and from my earnings, which is timely always, they will always release timely.
Gasha kwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.